Sologenic. Yeah, I can quickly give you a little brief and then let Fabio hop on. So our main priority is the tokenization of assets, stocks, ETFs, and we've been our license is pending for that. We've been doing a lot of work on our technology to tokenize assets at real time through brokers and through API keys in real financial institutions. And besides that, while we finalize our license, we've been focused on our decentralized side to the ecosystem, which includes our DEX, NFT marketplace, and more features will be coming. We're adding a Launchpad and so forth for the XRPL. We also do realize the future is multi-chain, so we're taking this time to also branch out and tap into new communities and give our tokens some DeFi capabilities across different ecosystems and different blockchains. So that's kind of why we are here today with multi-chain. Fabio, do you have anything to add to that?
No, I think that's where we're headed, and in every sense, not just with the DEX, we're also planning to expand the NFT marketplace to make it cross-chain as well, and we're also all about eradicating the entry barrier into crypto and kind of contributing to the mass adoption of it by working with, for example, Fiat on ramps, and we recently integrated unstoppable domains, for example, which is quite nice to have a domain to have all your crypto and NFTs there. And also, we're deploying a grants program right now, Sologenic Prime, to accelerate the onboarding of utility-based NFT projects into the DEX. Yeah, I think that's awesome. A brief on what we're doing.
Yeah. A brief but a complete description.